India thwarted Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. In its Operation Sindoor, it sent out a clear message. The operation, one of its kind, saw unmatched coordination between the Indian Armed Forces, Navy and the Air Force. One of the most intense shellings witnessed along the LoC. WION Sibyl visited the front lines where the Indian Armed Forces remain vigilant, fighting tooth and nail to protect India. Take a look.
From a strategic location at the LoC, WION witnesses the might of the Indian artillery units. Military personnel are engaged in artillery demonstrations. They are always prepared to face any threat from across the border.
The recent drill which you just saw, it was a drill in which we engaged the enemy targets. As part of the Op Sindoor, we had used the same drills which we had practiced before. And during the operation, we put it into effect to target the enemy launch pads in the Lipa and the Neelam Valley. As you are aware, there were clear aim to engage the enemy terrorist infrastructure, and the same was done accurately by the artillery of this formation.
In the aftermath of the ceasefire violation by the Pakistani side, this is the location, in fact, one of the locations from which the Indian side was able to thwart the Pakistani attempts and give a strong response to the Pakistani side. And these are the weapons, as you can see behind me, which played an important role in terms of giving a strong response to the Pakistani side.
At India's fortified military post, India's air defense systems remain vigilant. Pakistan reportedly fired over 600 drones at India during Operation Sindoor, all of which were neutralized by India's defenses.
Behind me, you can see the air defense system, which played an important role in terms of thwarting the Pakistani misadventure. I'm standing at one of the forward posts, and we know that this forward post played an important role in Operation Sindoor, under which India targeted terror camps in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and Pakistan itself. Now, this mountain range behind me is critical and important. Beyond this is Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, and we know that once the Pakistani side indulged in ceasefire violation and were attacking India, India was able to thwart that, and these forward location, the forward posts which are located at the line of control, played an important role in thwarting the Pakistani misadventure.
See, the army air defense is on all toes like 24/7, and we are all ready. If something happens, we are all of us are alert, and if something happens, then the Akash Tir system, again, it's one of the greatest invention by the India itself now, and it has been seriously helping us to reduce our reaction time and keep us all alert all the time. It will be providing us the air situation picture of all around the surroundings, and then be helping us a lot to engage the target effectively.
From the front lines behind the mountainous terrain lies the POK. WION saw the strategic hub that decimated a Pakistani border post.
I'm standing at one of the forward posts of the Indian Army at the line of control, and behind me is the air defense gun. Now, this air defense gun played an important role in thwarting the Pakistani misadventures, which includes the drone attack by the Pakistanis. Now, beyond this place is Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, where we know that the Indian side was able to neutralize the terror camps, but it is also the location from where the drone attacks were done into Kashmir as well. So this machine, I would say, played an important role in thwarting and safeguarding the valley and, of course, the country as well. We know that there is a fragile ceasefire understanding that continues, but balls in the court of the Pakistani side that if they will stand by the agreement, but all in all, on the ground, the situation is stable, primarily because of the grit and determination of the Indian Army.
India's multi-pronged response, artillery, air defense and border operations has sent a clear message. Every violation will face overwhelming retaliation. Bureau Report, WION World is One.